I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action.
Left Everett. We are headed to Langley and we are going to try to sail there, but it's really crazy out here because it's fishing season now and crabbing, and it's just really nice out, so everybody is out. So it's a lot of dodging boats right now, but yeah, hopefully we can get a sail in on the way there. It's only like a 2-hour run, so we'll see. And for your guys' enjoyment, here is me really struggling with the head sail and trying to get it down. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I am still learning. rough. 10, 11, 12. That's still fine. Yeah. Alright, so we're anchored here in Langley and there's crab pots everywhere, so we had to basically anchor in between them, which is stressful, and there's a windstorm coming. It's a small one, it's only like 20 knots, but still, it's a little stressful. It definitely got worse than we thought it would, and we barely slept. Super bad, like all the way, and it makes them super big, and so we haven't been getting good sleep, so we're kind of excited to leave actually. Yeah, we're really tired, but it's looking pretty calm, so I don't know if we're going to be able to sail at all, but we don't even care because it's been so annoying at night here. Next up, we get into the San Juans again while dodging crab pots, of course, like always, and start enjoying the summer in the San Juans.
Talk to the camera?
I don't get it.
You don't want to say anything else?
Yeah, I don't get it.
Alright. That's Rosie.